Clean area with dry towel, center ring over impact point. Add wood drops of repair resin. 3. Pressurize the plastic injection barrel. 4. Observe the penetration of repair resin into the glass cracks. 5. Use a hairdryer or lighter to properly heat the glass cracks. You can repeat steps to wool until the crack is repaired. 6. Remove the plastic injection bracket. 7. Put 2 drops of repair resin on the repair place just now and paste the cured film. 8. Move the car to the sun for 50 minutes. 9. Scrape off excess repair resin.